What I'm looking forward to the most, apart from winning, is just having fun and just being myself. I'm a 16-year-old who attends the Old Harbour High School. I am a part of the Old Harbour High School choir. I am a very jovial, funny, dramatic, and talented person. Singing for my school is everything because, number one, it gives me exposure, and with the teachers that I have and the training that I get, it helps me to build my self-confidence, my self-esteem.
I believe that Laveka will do well because from she was young coming up, she displayed certain attitudes towards music, positive vibe, positive energy. She was always confident and ready to deliver.
Entering Digicel Rising Stars, it means a lot to me because as a little girl growing up, I would always love to see those talented persons, and I always said to myself and my family, I am going to be on Digicel Rising Stars.
How do I feel about Laveka being Digicel Rising Star? Proud, because she's my only child and I am supporting her in all of her endeavors.
Support from my family is not even 100% but more, and especially from my grandma and from my community. As you can see, my community is behind me 120%, and I am grateful for that because having people and my community and my family around me, it builds my self-esteem and my self-confidence, making me want to push more and to go for what I want.
What's up, Jamaica? I am Laveka. This is my year to shine. Watch out for me.